Nicholas90 doing 2 boxes of Totally Certified. Good luck to you, sir. Got at least one fatty. There's another. Alright, here we go. Pack 1. Michael Caruso, rookie. And a Nikita Zadorov, rookie jersey autograph. Nikita Zadorov. Scott Lofton, rookie, with a Ryan Murray rookie roll call jersey. This one's really thin. Jared Stahl, numbered to 100, platinum red rookie. And a Frank Corrado, totally certified rookie SIGs. This thing's a brick. Oh, numbered 1 of 50, Ryan Miller, platinum blue. Thomas Hickey, rookie. You have a Social Signatures, Colton Tubert. And Joffrey Lupul, totally certified prime, numbered to 50. Fatty. This whole box seems a little bit fatter as a whole. Oh, we got a redemption. Not many of those. Seth Jones, first rookie. Jonas Broden, rookie jersey autograph. Card number 209. Jonas Broden. Anthony Peluso, numbered to 50. Blue rookie. And Valery Nichushkin, rookie roll call jersey for Dallas. Jamie Oleksiak, rookie. And a Danny DeKaiser rookie roll call jersey. Here's a fatty. Here we go. Lay down the hammer. Number to 100, Joe Thornton red. Brendan Gallagher rookie. Totally certified rookie autograph, Thomas Hurdle. I heard he's decent. Hurdle, totally certified rookie SIGs. And Francois Beauchemin, totally certified prime, numbered to 50. So Nicholas, there you have it, sir.